2025 Chinese New Year is 129.25. So if you measure the bracket, the metal bracket for this 9,000 Senville BTU, when you go out 3 inches is where the bend will happen. So now you go to here, the center.
Yep.
3.5, you drill a hole. But where here? Where to drill here? Exact.
2 3/4.
No, like up and down here. Where here?
Oh.
Maybe here?
Yes. 1.5.
1.5 is here.
Yeah.
Bend here. 1.5. Yeah.
It's okay. 1.5.
1.5. And make sure the water go down like this.
Yeah. 2 inches.
So 2 inch?
Yeah.
So you want to come 2 inch and go in?
Yeah. A little level.
Okay, so 2 inch here. And how many inch here?
2.5.
Oh, 3 inches or what? Or 2.5?
2.5. Yeah. 2.5 inches.
Which is right here?
Yep.
2.5.
2.5.
Okay, so 2.5 this way and 2 inch this way.
Inches, yeah.
And then good. All right.